Any ideological doctrine that have come, if it wants to remain, there are three things that it has to have, or else it goes and perishes over time, just like every other ideological doctrine has perished. The first one is wujud al-ansar, to find people who will support it, people who will invest in it. Okay? This allows that belief or the ideology, that doctrine to remain and carry on. The second one is to find and to have وجود كتب حافظة لهذه الأفكار الباطلة, to have books, works that are written that support this false ideology or this ideology. The third one is وجود أتباع لهذه الأفكار. This ideology has people who follow it. So the first ones are people who are aiding it and investing. And second one is books and history written about it, documented. And the third one is having followers that will follow it. Any ideological doctrine that has that generally lives on through history.
Okay.